Let's walk through the process of updating your Raspberry Pi to keep it running efficiently and safely. First, we'll go ahead and open the terminal. We're going to type sudo apt update. This will give us a list of all the packages that can be upgraded. You're going to ignore this question. We don't really care about what the list is. We're just going to go ahead and say sudo apt full-upgrade. And this will begin the process. It's going to ask us if we want to continue. We're going to say yes, and it will begin. Now, sometimes this process goes quickly, sometimes it takes a long time. It's going to take a long time here, as you'll see, so we're going to speed this up. But no matter how long it takes, and in this case it takes 6 or 7 minutes to get through the whole thing, don't just walk away, because sometimes during this process, the Pi will ask you for permission to continue with something, or for some sort of information, as you're about to see. There we go, it's asking for permission, so we're going to go ahead and say yes. If you had just walked away, it would have stopped, and you would have come back later to see that it hadn't actually finished the process. And now we will skip ahead to the end. We will type in sudo reboot, and our system reboots, and we're done.